How to replace a blade when it has Supatilt on the side. First of all, reach into the side that has the opposite side to the Supatilt, wind the screw out. If it doesn't have a screw and it has a pin, turn the blades vertically, slice through to detach the blade spring pin, pull the blade back vertical or open in the open position, angle it up and wiggle the blade off the blade pin. The blade pin cog will easily release and easily go back in. If you have the blade pin cog in the opposite direction, it will not align with the cog, cannot go in. If you turn it around, it will align with the cog. New blade has a notch in it and a pin on the other end to go in this side. Put the notch back in, feed the blade back onto there, come back in there, either put a spring pin there to relocate with a hole, or in this case we're using the tension screw as an option, and retighten. Blade works.